Here's how to use Zangi on a Windows or Mac computer by installing the Android version through an Android emulator in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to use Zangi on your computer even though it does not have a free native desktop app for personal users. It is important to know that there is no free native Zangi desktop application for personal users. The simplest workaround is to install the Android app through an Android emulator such as BlueStacks or LD Player. First, download and install an Android emulator like BlueStacks or LD Player on your computer. Follow the installation wizard until you reach the Android home screen inside the emulator. This gives your PC a virtual Android environment where you can install mobile apps. Next, open the Google Play Store inside the emulator and sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, use the search bar to look for Zangi Private Messenger. You'll see the install button on the app page. Click install and wait for the download to finish. Then, open Zangi from the emulator's home screen. You'll see the sign in or registration page. Sign in with your existing Zangi account or create a new one if you're using the app for the first time. After signing in successfully, your chats and contacts will appear just like they do on your phone. After that, grant every permission Zangi requests, including access to your microphone, camera, storage, and notifications. Android permission dialogues will appear one by one. Allow each permission so messaging, voice calls, and video calls work correctly. Now you can begin using Zangi directly from your computer. The interface works the same as the Android version, allowing you to send messages, make voice calls, and start video calls from inside the emulator. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Try a different Android emulator, enable hardware virtualization in your computer's BIOS or UEFI if supported, update your graphics drivers, then reinstall Zangi inside the emulator. If the emulator runs slowly, enabling virtualization and allocating additional RAM usually improves performance. Once everything is set, Zangi will run on your computer inside the Android emulator, allowing you to send messages and make voice or video calls just like on an Android phone. Following these simple steps makes using Zangi on a PC quick and easy.